Hey guys, WIT here, and today I'm going to talk about 5 reasons I use an Apple Watch. The first reason is the Spotify app on my watch. Spotify is a music streaming app similar to Melon and Flow in Korea. I just prefer using Spotify over other services. When I play music on my MacBook or iPhone, I'm able to play, pause, adjust volume, and switch songs with my watch. This is especially useful because I frequently play music on my MacBook from the other side of the room. The second reason is the camera remote. Apple provides an app where you can check what your iPhone's camera is seeing in real time in order to frame shots and take pictures remotely. A good use case would be setting the phone next to something and taking a group photo including you. The third reason is the Ping iPhone feature. If you swipe up on your Apple Watch, you can see an iPhone button. It automatically makes your iPhone make pinging noises and flash the flashlight. The fourth reason is the Raise to Talk Siri. When I don't have my iPhone on my hands, I raise my hand and start saying commands without pressing any buttons or saying, "Hey Siri." It automatically detects that you're saying a command. I've used this countless times when I needed to start a timer for cooking and setting reminders. The last reason is the Unlock Mac feature. When I add a passcode to my Apple Watch and set my MacBook up for Unlock Mac, you can automatically unlock your MacBook if you're near it. This may only save a second or two, but it's surprisingly convenient. That concludes this video. If you like this type of content, I'll be making more in the future, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.